Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this professional website header section using HTML, CSS along with Flexbox step by step. Now let's go to the project. So I'm going to go to the uh, F drive today, the F drive. So I'm going to go to create the new project. So I'm going to select the folder. Okay, this is a web banner. This is the folder I'm going to make all my website exercises. So I'm going to make it this one to the site 3. Here I'm going to first of all this folder I'm going to make this professionally images and start here CSS. Okay, this is must before you are doing the websites. You must create these two folders, CSS as well as the images. Okay, so images folder first I'm going. Now here what I'm going to do is the images folder I'm going to put this image I'm going to copy, put into this image. Okay, okay, this image you have put it by this is a png image I'm going to put it. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to do is this site 3 cmd, open up on your VS Code. This is simple stuff you have to do it. This is the only thing you have to do it. This site 3. So we need a one page which is a index.html. Okay. First step what I'm going to do is we have to implement the HTML structure. That is a must. So hold on the shift key down and press 1. Click on this and import it. That is must. After that what I'm going to do is we have to add the style. We have to add the CSS. Okay. So CSS folder I'm going to make the new file style.css. That's it. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, so here first the HTML file we have to link the CSS. This is how we have to do the sites professionally. Relationship, style sheet, out of href. Here give the inside the CSS folder style.css. Style.css. That's it. That's the template. Simple. This one we know. Okay. Okay. We have to tell them where your CSS file is resided. The path you have to specify the path over here. Okay. Now I need how many items we need. So where's my side? That side. I run it. I put it where this port it is running. Oh, here this one. Okay. So this is the we needed 3 items. The logo. This one should be our new bar, new section. This is the new links. This is the one bar. You need a 3 items. So 3 items. So what you are going to do is we need a container section. So container section, how to put it the container? You give the container, one container. So how to put the container simply? You type div dot container. Press the tab key on your keyboard. After that, we have needed 3 items. So you type div dot item 3. If you want to 4, you put it as 4. I need 3 items. This is item 1, item 2, item 3. First item should be the logo. Second item should be the new links. Third item should be the button. You have to separate this one. This is how we will make the structure of the website. Okay. First item, this image we have to put it here. So we have to write img src equal. You have to write the images resided on the images folder. The image name is this one, page. The width we have to give as 155 pixel. Height also we have to specify 155 pixel. That's it. Simple. Okay. If you are not yet installed the extension of uh, live server, you have to install the extension, then only you will be able to test it your website. So here's for the extension. You have to install the live server. This one. If you install it, it is coming here. Go live. Click on this and test it. Okay, you can test it. You can see now what your website look like. Yeah, it look like this way. Only we have implement the logo as well. So now what you're going to do is we have to make the links. We have to make the links. That is must. You have to make the links. So links, in order to make the links, what you're going to do is here .h a hr href. You have to write href. You have to write the first. You have to like this href home. Yeah. Copy and paste it over here. First one to the about. After that, service. After that, project. After that, you make this the one is contact us. Okay, that's it. That's the thing. Good. File saver. Check it back it. It like look like this. Okay, you understand the concept. After that, we need a one button. So button also, we write it over here. The button. You have to customize the button, all things. Okay, button. You have to get started. You have to write class new button. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Now what I'm going to do is you have to go to the styles. You have to implement the styles first. Okay, we have to implement the styles. So first what we are going to body, the website body first one. Your make is all things are 0. Margin make it as 0. 0 width 0. Padding 0. Display flags. You have to make the display flags. Justify content. You have to make it as center. Justify content we don't need that flags. That's it. After that we have to write this one container. We have to make the container style. Use a container. This is must. We have a container. Inside the container we have 3 items. So we have to do the thing is first one we have to make the container display. You have to make it as flags. After that container we have to specify the justify container contain space between it will be take care of the 3 item spaces. Okay, take care of the spaces, arrange the spaces equal. That is the meaning of space between. It is equally, it is arrange the spaces. After that you specify the height width of the container 1000 pixel width. Height, or specify the height of the container 200 pixel height. Okay, align item center, padding you write 0 50 pixel. After that gap, you have set the gap also. You have write 30 pixel. That's it. Gap also 30 pixel. That's the thing you have right. Now let's check it all. Okay, it's come look like this. After that we have to make it as a second thing is the nav links logo and everything. Nav links. We have the nav links. You have to get the nav links. Yes, also if you are implement a class, you have to put the dot nav links. Okay, here if you are specify the attribute class, when you style it, you have to put the dot. Before the dot, you have to make this name of the style. That if you implement the class, here, dot new links. So you have to write the thing is here. You have to write here new links. You have to write here display flags, 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 display flags. After that, you have to write a gap. You have to write a gap. You have to put it here as 20 fixed because each and every new links we need a gaps. Okay, in between about and home and about we need a gap. About and service we need a gap. So we have to specify the gap as well. So let's save all and bring back to the application. Check here. So it's implemented successful. Okay, that is a must. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the another one is we have a new links. There is another attributes called inside the new links A. Okay, how to style it? You have to write new links A. You have to specify the style. You have to write text decoration. You have to make it as none. After that, color. You have to specify the color. You have to write black. You have to specify the font size. Font size. You have to specify the font size, which is a 20 pixel. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. Now let's check it out. Oh, perfect. It's working perfect. It's working perfect. It's working perfect. Right? It's working perfect. Okay, here we have a justify content at the body. We have to make it as center. We have to give the center screen, then only it will be working in the body. So it make it as center screen. Here it's center. It automatically take as a center. Okay, if you are given the center as body, it is center. The width 1000, it is height is we have specified as 200. Justify content center. Okay. This everything is okay. Now let's do the thing as well. These things, two things are correct. We have to do the get started button. Contact us. Get started button. We have to make the style. So button we have to make the style. So button we have to write the copy this and paste it below. So we have to write button. We have to make the style. This is a button. We have to make the style. We have to make the style here. This one. Padding. Left. Dot to rem. So I just copied. Paste it over here. Right. Top right. Bottom. After that bottom. After that top. Top. You have to make this type. Okay, you have to make these all things like this. We have to make the button. We have to specify the padding, button, left padding, right padding, bottom padding, all things. You have to specify the padding and all. After that, we have the border. We have to make as border. You have to write the border radius as well. Button border radius. 5 pixel you have to give. And border, we need a 0 pixel. We need a border 0. Background color, you have specified as green. Green. Text color we have to make it as white. This is how we have to give the style of the button. The font size you have to specify font size 100. Simple. Font weight we have to make it as bold. Font weight we have to make it as bold. That's it. Now let's look at the side. Here it's working like why it's coming like around the space. Button white things the work. So you make this one as a new button. something problem. So new button, you have to write new button. The style is new button. Not it is styled here. Okay, if you are right. Now let's look at this one. Now it's okay. Why it's not being styled? Okay, so things new button. Okay, so here the thing is here. I think this so new button. You just copy this. Okay, now let's check it all. Save all and bring back the application. Now it's working. Here, now it's working. Simple. So get started. This is how we have simply you make the website designing very simple and professional way. Okay, so this one you have to work with this one. This one if you make this one, you have a good web design. Thank you.